Okay, class. We are on NTI day 4. Today is an A day, so here we go. Introduction to Media Arts. If you go to your modules, let's see. Got to leave student view for this. Okay, go to modules. Ed Puzzle, Film History number 3 is up there. It looks like this, the all-in-one camera, Lumiere Brothers. So our B-Day students just did this in class. You guys are now catching up. So there we go. Film production. So our film class is also doing an Ed Puzzle, and it's about film production. So Filmmakers Army, and this goes through the explains the different roles in the what do you call it, on a film set. Sorry, it's early in the morning and it's cold. So there's no short answer questions, all multiple choice. Broadcast journalism class quiz is up here. I just fixed something on it, so if you're taking it and it started acting weird or different, just reload your page and keep taking it from there. If there's issues, let me know. But ASB it's the ASB classroom. Here, let's show you what that looks like here. Student login, our secret password, which might be the year we're in. And it's this one, lighting interviews. So you should watch this video. It's selected here. Before I didn't have all this information on the quiz. I had problems making it and forgot to put that on there. So it's lighting interviews. Here's the information for the class. And you have 3 attempts to do it. Again, you could do the quiz under the video if that helps you. And that's the NTI day for Tuesday, Wednesday, the January 22nd. We have freshman showcase as soon as we get back, so that's what we'll be doing Thursday and Friday. Stay warm, people. Have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow when the weather's a little bit warmer.